Today's video tutorial, I want to show you how to get the Play Store app on your Xiaomi Redmi uh, Note 12 Turbo. Okay, this is the Redmi Note 12 Turbo, and if you just so happen to get the version or the model from China, you will most likely not see the Play Store. Okay, so first things first, out of the box, the good thing is mine came with the Chrome browser, which made it a lot easier for me to get the Play Store on my device. Now, if not, you can always use the browser app here itself. Okay, I didn't use this one here, but when you do that, when you go here, you want to search the Google app first. You want to go ahead and get that. There are some words I'm not going to say because I remember one time I got a flag and a strike, whatever, just for saying that word, which everybody else uses it. But still, either way, you're going to find that it's going to be the Google APK pack there. And then you're going to go ahead and run it and have that ready to use as a app on your Xiaomi phone. Okay. And of course, you have to go through the security processing of your phone itself. It's going to ask you if you want to take the risk or whatnot, and just go ahead and install it. Okay. Now, when you're done with that, most likely I would recommend that you go into your main settings of your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro phone or the Turbo. Go to settings here. And when you do that, you should see this here. So go down until you see accounts and sync right there, and you'll see Google, the basic Google services right here. Tap on that here and make sure this is turned on. It's kind of weird, but just like my OnePlus 11 that didn't come with the Play Store, after turning it on, it kind of gave me access to sign in to a Google account. Okay, so just make sure that's turned on there. All right, now when you're done with all that here, as you go into the Google app itself or the Chrome app itself, either way, you will be prompted to sign in. Okay, and if you're confused, what I'm talking about is the app that would have the Google, and it's like when you go into it, it's like the Google search app itself. That's the one you will need. Okay, if not, you can just get the Chrome itself and then just use the Google Chrome search, and you're gonna type in Google Play Store APK. Once again, there are some words that I cannot use because I might get yeah, I might people might say you're not supposed to use that word. So just to be on the short side here, you're gonna get this one here. Make sure it's the site that says apkpure.com here, and you'll find this here. You'll find the Google Play Store here. It'll tell you the version here, and then somewhere to the bottom, it'll allow you to run it and then install it to your phone. Okay, and then once it's fully installed, you'll want to go into the File Manager section here, and then you're gonna see this here, okay, the Play Store APK. Okay, so when you go here now, this is gonna happen. You're gonna see this here, check an installation package here, and you'll see this here. This is the part where you're gonna allow. You're gonna select allow, and because I did it already, I'm not gonna do it again a second time. And you might get these words here. You probably be confused just like me. And what I did was select the first option, and then it's gonna take me here, and then you'll view it again. This is gonna run, and just press allow again. And if that didn't work, so then it would be the second one. Okay, so because I didn't know what it says. Okay, and then it'll say installing for you, and then once you press installing, you'll see okay or launch. So just go ahead with launch here. And if it's your first time entering here, this is the part where you're going to sign in a second time again with that Google account, and then you should be able to have the Play Store app. Okay, so hopefully this was helpful. I really hope it did help you. I was disappointed once again. That's what you get for getting a phone straight from China itself, but I want to have the Xiaomi experience. Like and sub.